The NBA is coming to NBC.
So we had to go big.
It is great to be in Prince George's County, the birthplace of so many fantastic NBA players and WNBA players.
You know, the NBA on NBC has a whole ring to it, right?
Watch this.
Woo! It's back, baby!
Take a look at the young kids. This is what it's all about.
These guys will remember things like this. People will appreciate it, and we appreciate them having us.
These girls are ready to go.
Telemundo y NBC, también la plataforma digital Peacock, y por eso estamos en el condado Prince George's con las porristas del Community College para celebrar.
That was awesome to swing it out. Thank you guys very much for doing that.
You guys have been having an awful lot of fun, maybe too much fun.
All right, let's do some drills here. Here we go.
He's been warming up.
Let's go.
He's going to show off, and he's going to get shown out. Okay, you know what I mean.
Ready, set, yes. You thought for a second that I might make more than 3, didn't you?
I did, actually. I'll blame it on the polo, though.
Thank you.
I actually used to play basketball, so if you need some tips, just come back to me. I got you.
Well, apparently I do, because I hit 3 out of 15 shots.
NBA on NBC.
It's a slam dunk.
There's a future NBA star that was at that event for sure.